This list has the same people in it twice. Google Sheets can strip the duplicates out in seconds. And there's a second way that never deletes anything. Here's the list. 8 signups and a couple of people got entered twice. Select the column you want cleaned, header included. That header matters in a second. The tool lives under Data, in Data Cleanup. Remove duplicates. Tick Data has header row. Without it, Sheets treats the word name as just another entry. Watch the checkbox underneath. It now reads column A, name. That's how you know your header was recognized. Then, remove duplicates. 2 duplicate rows found and removed. 6 unique rows remain. Sheets tells you exactly what it did. Close that, and the list is clean. Every name exactly once. One catch. Those rows are gone for good. If you'd rather keep the original list intact, undo it and use a formula instead. Give a spare column a heading. Unique does the same job as a formula. Point it at the list and reach further down than the data actually goes, so there's room for the list to grow. 6 names, each one once, sitting right next to the original, which is still completely untouched. Now the test. Someone signs up who's already on the list. The original grows. The unique list doesn't move. Ava's already in it. And now a name that's genuinely new. Gil appears. That's the difference. The menu tool cleans the list once, the formula keeps it clean. 2 ways to kill duplicates. Data cleanup when you want them gone. Unique when you want the original left alone.